black, 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 black on black, black, my thoughts so black, 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 I'm black, my skin is so black, I'm rocking that black on black is black.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to get into this. I am using a new conditioner and shampoo. These are my mom's products, so I was just trying it out. And I also used her leave-in conditioner and a heat protectant. That's all I used. I used each product lightly on my hair because I didn't want my hair to be weighed down. However, I didn't like how the products were feeling on my hair, so I went ahead and switched back over to the products I usually use, which you can see here. And then I followed that with my heat protectant. I didn't get all heavy-handed with my heat protectant as I usually do when I'm just blow drying my hair because I didn't want my hair to be weighed down. That is very key for me to have a silk flowy flat iron. Then I went ahead and blow dry my hair. I do have a couple of videos on my channel already on how I blow dry my hair. However, I will be coming out with an updated one very soon. The key is to get a bomb blowout before flat ironing your hair. That's like the foundation. If the foundation is right, then the whole flat iron will just work out in your favor. I got really tired after this. It's like super late and I'm just going to finish this up tomorrow. So now it's the next day and I'm getting my hair prepared. My hair is already blow dried, so now all I have to do is flat iron it. I am going to first split my hair down the middle because I love to wear my hair in middle parts when I'm wearing a flat iron. And then I'm going to go ahead and section off the rest of my hair before flat ironing it. And that's it. Okay guys, so I only have one section left and that is this section right here. So I'm going to just show you guys how I flat iron my hair. I did it the exact same way all around my hair, so that's why I didn't show you guys the back. Because one, I'm in a rush and I just wanted to get it done. And two, I'm literally doing it the exact same way in the front as I did in the back. So this is my hair. It is super silky in the front. It did not take the front long at all. However, it took the back 2 hours. And that's because if you guys been following me, excuse me. If you guys been following me for a while, you guys know that the back of my hair is a lot thicker than the front of my hair. I have 2 different textures, probably 3 different textures of hair in my head. This section of the front only took like 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes. And the back took 2 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do this side. The back is already done. I need to trim it. I'm going to trim it right after I'm done. Let's get into it.
Crazy night, speeding by, hearts are running wild. How to fly, purple skies, gotta ride that high. We're coming like a train in the city lights, yeah. We're coming like a train, baby, you and I.
also the back took longer because my hair wasn't evenly split into 4 sections. I had less hair in the front for my 2 sections in the front than I did in the back, which always turns out like that. I always end up parting my hair like that. It got body. I'm almost done. Then I can cut my hair. I'm so excited to cut my hair. Y'all know, you guys know I'm not afraid to cut my hair at all. So that is something I'm really excited about because I really need a trim. And what's hecka funny is that I am always late. Well, not late. I'm always in a rush when I'm flat ironing my hair because I only flat iron my hair for special occasions. So it is usually like the day of. Y'all seen I tried to do it last night, but I got tired. I was too tired. I went to sleep I got done blow drying my hair like at 3:30 in the morning. But I tried. At least I tried to do it last night. So today is my party. Today is my grad party, guys. And that's why I'm doing my hair. That's why I'm flat ironing my hair. And I waited 2.5 years for this. I'm done. I'm just go over just combing the heat through my hair just to make sure everything is laying down before I comb it. So now I'm done with my hair and I am going to, this is cute. Ah! Okay. I'm just comb it first and then I'm going to trim it. I don't know if I have time to wrap it. I really have to be getting dressed and out of the house. I mean, I would love to wrap it first. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and trim my hair off camera and then I'm going to probably wrap it. I need to wrap it before I go. I'm going to finish getting dressed and I'll come on with my final results. I just got done trimming my hair and this is what it's looking like. I didn't even comb it yet. Ooh. This is how I'm gonna do it for right now. I'll bring it to the front so you guys see it. This is how my hair is looking. This is how my baby looking. And I did cut off an inch. I cut off a little bit more than an inch. Yes. And that's it, guys. Let me know how you guys like this hairstyle one because I have not worn straight hair in 2 years. So it feels good. Y'all, I always think about if I want to be a straight hair natural girl because y'all know that I'm a blow dry natural. If you guys are new here, I'm a blow dry natural, but I be toying with the idea of just being a straight hair natural. I know some of my subscribers are straight hair naturals and I am really curious to know how that life is. So if you guys are straight hair naturals, let me know how you care for your hair, like what's your whole routine, how this go, okay? I do toy with the idea of doing it. I don't know if I'm actually go ahead and do that. But yeah, I usually wear my straight hair for a month. Y'all, I do everything within a month's time, okay? And I just do like styles with my straight hair to make it last. I do wrap my hair every single night because once you miss a night, that's it, because it's pretty much ruined at that point. So I do wrap my hair each and every night. Once it starts to get old, I will be styling it. But I love it. After 2 years, I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and I'm gonna get out of here. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below, and with your comment, do hashtag hey cousin so I can know that you want to be featured in my next video. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Call me Alicia from now on. Alright. I decided I'm actually go ahead and wrap my hair. Even if it's just for a few minutes. Like, even if it's just for 10 minutes, I think that would make a difference. And I don't know how I got good at doing this because I just whipped this up in literally 2 minutes. So now I'm just go ahead and tie my hair down with my trusty hair scarf. I know y'all be getting tired of my buns. Y'all just don't be saying nothing. Because I just stay in my buns and mind my own business and just let my hair grow. But I'm really glad that I flat ironed my hair. I really like it. And now I'm just going to lay my hair down.
We are young, we are right where we want, burning fast and burning free.